Now let's create the last array. Now again, like before, I will create a new array called numbers 5. Click on variables and drag a var list box bracket here. Now let's name this array. Now I remove the word list here and instead of that I give numbers 5. Here we can give the values of the arrays. Now let's add the values as 2, 6, 10, 18, 22, 26, 30 and 34. We can give 8 values here. Now click on this arrow on the side and make space for 8 values. Now let's type the values on these spaces. I will type 2, 6, 10, 18, 22, 26, 30 and 34. Now let's create a new array to store the names of the labels from 37 to 45 in the same way. Because we are storing string values, we will drag a var list equal box bracket that is in inverted commas from the variables section. Click the arrow on the right side and create space for 9 elements. To the left side of the equal sign, I will give the name of the array win5. In front of the equal sign in inverted commas, let's give the elements of the array. Label 37, label 38, label 39, label 40, label 41, label 42, label 43, label 44 and label 45. Just like how we added a number to the previous array, we need to add 14 as the third array. For that, click on variables and drag the insert item code block here. Give the name of the array as numbers 5. We will add this number as our third element. For that, give 3 here. Here, we will add the value in front and give the value as 14. We will display these values on the labels on the 5th screen. As before, we will create a for loop. Drag a for code block under controls here. Here also, we will only change the condition. Drag the list.length code block under variables to the right side of the smaller than sign and instead of list, give the name of the array numbers 5. As before, click on the UI controls and drag a set property ID property value code block into this loop. Drag a list box bracket 0 into ID. Give the name of the array as win5 and type I here. Because the text of this label needs to display the value, click the small arrow and select text. Next, as the value, the I element of the numbers 5 array needs to be displayed. Click variables again and drag a list box bracket 0 code block here. Instead of list, type numbers 5 and give I here. Now we have created all the arrays. Now let's click the run button and see. If you made it in this way, you little ones are very talented. To see the creation you made, WhatsApp it to the number note 7681252244. Tell your friends about the creation also. Send it to me and send it to your friends to see this app. And one more thing, you too can join the DP Coding School Telegram group and try to be the DP Code Champ Best of the Week every week. For that, keep in touch with us. Let's meet with another interesting lesson through DP Coding School. Have a nice day.